In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in HubSpot, a simple yet essential task for anyone managing their CRM effectively. Now let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you can manage your contacts efficiently and keep your CRM as relevant and up to date as possible. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. This is where it all starts. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that button and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Take a moment to enter your email and password, then hit that login button to access your account. After logging in, you will be directed to the HubSpot home dashboard. It can seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. Our focus today is narrowing down to deleting a contact, so stay with me. First, look for and click on the CRM tab. This section is dedicated to managing customer relationships and is crucial for navigating to our next steps. With the CRM section open, your next move is to click on Contacts. This will direct you to a list of all contacts that are saved within your HubSpot account. This view provides an overview of your existing contacts and allows you to search and refine your list by various parameters, but for now, we'll just scroll and scan. Now scroll through the list and find the contact you wish to delete. HubSpot's user-friendly interface makes it easy. Simply use the search bar if you're having difficulty pinpointing a specific contact. Type in the name of the contact and hit enter to streamline your search process. Once you've found the contact, click on their name to open their contact profile. This will give you access to details and additional options regarding this contact. Take a moment to ensure this is indeed the contact you want to delete. Double checking here can prevent any unintentional loss of information. With the contact profile open, locate the delete button. This is usually found somewhere near the top of the page, appearing as a standard trash icon or labeled delete. Click on it and you will likely see a confirmation prompt. This feature is there to make sure you really intend to remove this contact permanently. Before you confirm, remember that deleting a contact is typically final, a step worth verifying. Check once more that you're ready and then go ahead and hit the confirm button. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted a contact from your HubSpot CRM. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on deleting a contact in HubSpot. Regularly updating and managing your contacts can make a significant difference in maintaining a clean and efficient customer database. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy organizing!